family.
Hello, Miss Maria.
So now that everyone's free, what have you been doing with your free time?
Well, I have been reading books, doing gardening, and watching YouTube videos on how to do origami.
I see. How many origamis have you done so far?
Well, I have done the basics for the origami ball, the origami pinwheel, the origami juice card, the origami angelfish, and so many more.
That sounds like fun. Are you going to make one now?
Yes, today we're going to be making a rocket.
I don't have time right now. Can you send me the link to the video?
That will be awesome, Miss Maria.
Alright, so I'll see you in your video. Bye!
Bye! So the first thing we're going to do is take the tip of these two papers and bring it all the way to the line in the center of your paper. So once you are done, do the same thing at the opposite side. Once you are done, you're going to take the tip of this paper and fold it all the way inside. Once you are done, do the same thing with the opposite side. Now, you're going to take this line and fold it all the way to the line in the middle of your paper. Now, we are going to take the tip of this paper from inside here and bring it outside. Do the exact same thing with the opposite side once you are done. When you are done, it will look like this. Okay. Now we're going to turn the paper around and take this part and fold it all the way inside here. When you are done, take the tip of this paper and turn it outside like that. When you are done, do the same thing with the opposite side. So when you are done, it will look like this. Now, we're going to turn it around and there you go, a rocket. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!